Hi everyone and welcome back to Mishry Reviews. I'm very excited about today's product. It's a brand new launch in the market and it comes from a company that is known for interesting new flavors and innovations. Hi Divya.
Hi Tanu. So today we're going to review Epigamia's coconut milk yogurt. Now what's special about this is that it's dairy free, it's made with coconut milk and sweetened with coconut jaggery. So for all you coconut lovers out there, let's find out if it will satisfy your taste buds or not.
Absolutely. In fact, anyone who loves coconut flavors will totally look forward to this. Let's see what's written on the nutrition label. It's got 187 calories for 100 grams. This is a 90 gram cup, so a little less than 187. Interestingly, like Divya mentioned, this is sweetened with coconut palm jaggery. The other ingredients are water, coconut milk, starch and stabilizers. It's completely preservative free, 100% plant based, and this pack of 90 grams is costing you 70 rupees at the moment. What else? And I actually quite like this tropical feeling on the pack. The colors that they've done here are interesting.
Definitely tastes very coconutty, which something that I was expecting. Tastes very natural. It's not like a coconut flavored yogurt. Definitely not. You can taste coconut in terms of the dry coconut flavor that you get. Sort of like I won't say coconut oil because it goes into a very different dimension. But yes, it tastes very earthy, very tropical, and definitely very coconutty. So yeah, that's
In fact, if you see the texture, it's I noticed that it tends to obviously become a little more creamy once it's been out of the fridge for a little while. So I'd recommend that you don't immediately consume it. And that would I would imagine that will work if this is a snack that you want to have on the go. So you're carrying it to work or you're carrying it to your workout, to your gym, and having it there. I like the color. It has a lovely whiff of coconut, by the way. And it's the kind of coconut aroma that a lot of us are not used to anymore. Between the coconut based mithais that we have or tender coconut, this is a very tropical, strong, earthy, like you said, kind of coconut flavor. As far as sweetness is concerned, it's definitely on the lower side. The little bit of sweetness that it does have is coming primarily from the coconut palm jaggery. I know you don't like very sweet stuff, Divya, so is this a little too less for you maybe?
I know,
Someone
considering
like
I have a very low tolerance for sweet things, for me, I felt that it was lacking in sweetness. A tad bit more would have been perfect.
Right. I'd say this: anyone who enjoys coconut as a flavor in their desserts or smoothies or even main course savory dishes will like this. It's definitely something that you should try. Having said that, it is an acquired taste. I think this one will grow on you. You'll like it a bit more on your third, fourth, fifth cup than you will like it on your first one. I'm really fond of coconut flavors as a Bengali, so I quite like this flavor, and the sweetness is all right for me.
And I would just like to add that I think it's such a great snack idea for people who are lactose intolerant, and we don't really have I think any yogurts or something to play around with yogurt, like in terms of smoothies or anything that you could make from it for people who are lactose intolerant or on any particular kind of a diet where they have to avoid dairy products. So for them it's definitely a fabulous product, and yes, I think something like this was long awaited in the Indian market.
Absolutely, because there's clearly a dearth of vegan, dairy-free products and snacking options in that sense. So yeah, when it comes to Mishrys, are we ready to give it Mishrys, Divya?
Absolutely. So what worked for me was definitely the texture, like you mentioned, Tanu. It's nice and rich and creamy and just melts in your mouth. That silky, smooth texture of it. The flavor, the coconut that you taste, as it promises, is bang on. And where it sort of lacks is the sweetness. I thought that tad bit more would have been perfect. So for that, 4.5 from me. What do you think, Tanu?
I completely agree. Little bit of sweetness could have been added. Having said that, this will also work very well as a base for smoothies or to rustle up another drink, some other kind of add more texture, flavors to it, and make another smoothie. But 4.5 is something I'd go with too. So tell us if you've tried this product. Tell us in the comments what you think about it, and we'll be back shortly with one more product. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.